How to write a script in DupDub Studio. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can write a script in DupDub Studio. So let's dive in. First, you have to come to your browser and search for dupdub.com and then open this first link. And now click start a free day trial over here, and it's going to bring you to this page. And in this page you simply have to just choose any options and then click continue, and then click continue again, and then click submit. And now you simply have to click this AI writing option over here, and then it's going to bring you to this page or interface that's just loading, and you have to wait for it to load. And now you simply have to choose this option over here, ask AI to write. You simply have to click this option and then you have to choose your preference over here. Let's go with marketing pitch or tutorial over here, and then you can see write a tutorial on how to cook noodles, and then you have to click this arrow over here, and then it's just going to start writing for you. And here you can see that now it's writing a script for me, and that's the process that you can follow to write a script using DupDub AI. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.